Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install VLC Media Player. First we open up our favorite web browser, search for VLC. The first one that comes up, www.videolan.org, is the main web page for VLC. I click on it. There is a download button on the main page. When you click on it, brings you to the 64-bit Windows download. Once download has finished, I'll go ahead and open the folder, my downloaded items, close this web browser. I double click to install VLC. You can choose your language. The default is English. You can choose any language you like. I'm leaving it in English as default and pressing OK. Next on this screen, this is the public license agreement. Scroll down, next. I leave the default options, next. This is the default installation directory. I leave it as it is. Install. Once VLC Media Player is installed, you see this setup screen. When I click finish, it will run VLC Media Player because this box is ticked. Finish. Let's close this download location window. The first time you run VLC Media Player, it brings up this window. You can press continue. Now VLC Media Player is installed. I also see it on my desktop, the shortcut for VLC Media Player. I double click on it. It opens up. In order to change file associations, we right click on Start menu, Settings, Apps, Default Apps. Here we see under Video Player, click on it. We choose VLC Media Player. This changes the default video player to VLC Media Player. Now I can close the screen. As you have noticed, on my desktop I had two sample files. They changed icons. Now when I double click on any media file, it will open in VLC Media Player like this. See? The file has opened in VLC Media Player. This is a different format, Windows Media format. It also opens under VLC Media Player. So this is how you install VLC Media Player. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.